So, today, we are changing Peach's enclosure. Come here then. Oh, hello, baby. Hello. Look at her. She's beautiful. I'm just going to temporarily put you in here, baby. Yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go. Good girl. Now, first of all, this has got holes all over it, so there is plenty of airflow. But the reason I put them in this, apart from, sorry if that scared you, apart from it's easier to do stuff, but also because it's dark, they will stay nice and calm and secure and safe. And that's the main thing. Yeah, time to start out this enclosure and put some cypress mulch in. Try to do this with one hand is not easy. Trust me. I probably spilling water everywhere. As you can see, oh, loads of bits I'm coming out. A lot of it has knocked down, but it's also just shed. And there's still bits of shed in here as well. Oh, like that. And a bit of poo that I didn't notice yesterday. Well, now we've got most of the stuff out, let's get some of the cypress mulch in. So Peach is now enjoying a new home, now I've put her back. I won't lie, I actually did, well, I thought I'd filmed putting her back. Well, taking her out of the tub. Turns out I didn't. But I wasn't going to put her back in just so I could film it. But yeah, she now got a new home to explore, and this will feel a lot better for her. Plus all the new smells, it'll be a lot of enrichment for her. But, yeah. Oh, it's so warm in here. Oh, that's fallen. That's all that out in a minute. But since I'm doing all this stuff in Raptor room today, and I was showing you what I've done with Peach's enclosure, I thought I'd show you two newish guys. I think you've seen one of them, but I know you've not seen the other. The first one is my male pastel het 100% pied and het possibly albino. And he also may have a few genes in him we're not sure about yet. He was a Dinka project that I an egg hatchling from the Dinka project. So we're not sure really if he's got any other genes in him, but obviously in a couple of years I will breed him and hopefully find out if he's got anything else in him. And this little girl here, my pinstriped, who also is a het albino, sorry, not het albino, het pied, will be the first one that he is bred with. Obviously this is going to be some time until I actually can breed these guys, but yeah, it's going to be awesome. Make such pretty babies, and if he has got any other genes in work, who knows. But yeah, them two are my newest bit. And these two right here are what's going to be paired for my first season next season. This big girl here, Luna, is a normal, but she's also het clown. And this little guy here, who is still not big enough or heavy enough yet, or old enough, is my black pastel albino. So yeah, let's see what these two create next year. While I've got Luna out, look at the size of her. She is becoming a big girl. And no, it's not fat. It is muscle. There's nothing fat about her. Her weight's perfect. She's putting it on at a nice steady rate. But yeah, she's just such a thick girl. Mum was quite a thick girl as well. Ashley that I bought her from showed a picture of her and she was massive. But yeah, look how beautiful she is. Can't wait to start breeding her next year. Oh, back to Peach. Having a good explore of the enclosure now. And yes, I'm very aware that is a cat litter tray that I've converted into a water ball. Look how beautiful she is. I absolutely love Colombian rainbow boas. Oh my god, it's so humid in here. Whew. Luckily all the ones I've got in this room, humid reptiles, because the arid ones will not survive in this. Jeez Louise. Well, that includes what I was going to do today. There's a few other stuff that I'm going to get done eventually, but at the moment we've actually not really been here. I know I'm at the reptile room right now, but I'm actually house sitting, which quite far away, so I'm I've got a trip back most days just to deal with the animals, but it's worth it. But I do have a few more stuff coming up soon, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys it. Also, don't know if you've seen, finally got t-shirts. We'll be putting some merch out with different snakes as well very soon, so I'm hoping that you'll stick around and you will follow me on this journey. Have a nice day, guys.